Yeah, it's like, this is my second target for the day, but it's after lunch, so it's been pretty lean today. It's been lean all week. But this one sounds a bit rubbishy, but I haven't had any rubbish here today at all, so we can hope that it's gold. There are a few dig holes around here, older dig holes, so you know, we can presume that it could be gold, but certainly a nice loud sound. So I'll swing the camera and I'll put you on, and we can dig it together. Okay, here's the sound. She's pretty loud. So if it's gold, it's decent. I'll put you down. You can share the dig with me, or the disappointment. So that'll do there. I have had this before. Well, someone's hung a bit of wire in the tree, but I can't see any there. So. Okay, this is the test to see if it's rubbish. It's still in. We might have a chance. Yeah, so we know it's not. We know it's could be probably rubbish. It wouldn't be that loud if it was. I'll put money on it. It's a staple. There somewhere. Now I'm a bit close to the camera, but I don't think it's there. So I think it's okay. Pretty sure it's in there. I'm pretty sure it's rubbish. It's in there now. I'm not going to be disappointed if it's not gold, because there we go. What is that? The point of a rusty old nail. Look at that. Makes you wonder how they get under there, eh? This has been a lean trip. Anyway, sounds like one. That's got a not a bad sound. We'll dig that one up, and I'll just set. Might be a little bit close, that one. Go back a bit. Okay. Do the usual scrape back. It hasn't got a bad sound to it, so I'm not... Okay, let's hope she's still in there. Might be a hot rock. Sound's got a bit weaker. I might have been missing it a bit. Oh, I think it's out. I don't think anything. It's all over the place. I think I'll turn the camera off and plug myself back in. No, I'll plug myself back in. I think there's the problem. I can't hear it. I think it's a hot rock. A very, very tiny nugget, if it is a nugget at all. So you can't find it. It's wire, screen wire. Oh, that's definitely screen wire. The gold doesn't move around like this. It tends to in there. Nah, that's screen wire for sure. There it is. Go and pick it up. So small, that's all we get. Oh, well, I got a little noise here. Could be something. I'm not going to let you hear it because it's too quiet on the speaker. Okay, it might be loud enough for the sound. For me to hear and you to hear. I don't know whether you'll hear it. Okay, I'm saying about there. Still just mud. Still in. Hitting a bit harder stuff now. Okay. It's out. Must be just a little bit. Oh, as we fall over. Split the pile. Definitely in that bit. Back a bit. Alright, that's good. Probably could have made it a bit smaller, but let's see how we go. Oh, I might have thrown it out then. thrown it out. In there. Get rid of these bigger bits. Oh yeah, I can see it. It's just a tiny bit. There you go. Just that tiny bit. But that's all we found on this trip, tiny bit, you know. I guess there comes a time when all the good bits are gone. And you've just got to put up with what you can find. Oh, I took a punt on this little area. I already found one little nugget this morning, and we took a punt, got out of the car, thought, oh, well, it looks okay. There doesn't seem to be any other workings or anything around. We'll give it a go. Anyway, I've got a little noise now, and hopefully it's gold. I did find a bit of aluminium a few minutes ago, but this is not aluminium. All right, I'll swing it around, see what happens. Pretty soft sound. Might be a hot rock. I mean, there's so many hot rocks around. Straight into hard clay. Okay, maybe we're not on the winner. Maybe here a bit. Right on the surface anyway. Something there. Still in the scoop. It sounds, I must say, it's got a nice tone to it. It doesn't sound like a tin. Doesn't sound very big either. Oh, I think it's lead. I think I can see him right there. No. Still in there. Oh yeah, I think I can see it. I think I can see it. I think that's... Is that it? No, that's not it. Oh yeah. Can't see anything. be microscopic, whatever it is. I cannot see anything in there. Bloody hell, is that it? Is that gold? It is gold. I think it is. Yes, it is. Look how tiny that is. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I don't think I've found a piece that small before. Oh well. Something. Look, I know for a fact that I'm hunting in this. Well, no, I'm just crossing this creek going from one area to another. And of course it's full of rubbish and cans and all sorts of stuff. And I was just exiting the other side and I got another sound and expected it to be rubbish, but it's just got a sweeter sound. So I think it might be worth videoing. We'll see if I'm right. I'm probably wrong. Here's the sound. Sounds sweeter than rubbish, but it still might be. Okay, we'll see. It's the typical shot of dirt. You find bits of can in there. Out of the ground. All right. If it's not gold, well, it's likely not gold, but it's probably a bit of aluminium, possibly lead. I don't think it's tin. This really does sound like gold. Don't see anything yellow. Now it's real small, it's probably screen wire. Can't see any gold anyway. Well, that's a really sweet sound for rubbish. Man, what's this? What is this? It's a tiny screw. Oh. Yeah, that sounds just like gold. Lost it now, there it is. Unbelievable. Okay, unbelievable, tiny little screw. Oh, I just came under this tree for a bit of a, I don't know, just a bit of check where I am, bit of positional and whatever. And I got a good signal in those leaves down there. So I don't know how much rubbish I've dug today. It's probably just another bit, but I'm going to miss them if I don't keep recording them. I'll swing it around and we'll see if it's gold or another bit of shit, but it does sound like gold. Hang on a second. Oh, something weird happened there. I had to restart the WM. Here we go. Now, it's quite a nice gold sound. I'll put you down and we'll dig her out. Out already. Pardon? Man, my thing just went off. Yeah. I was completely dead. I had to turn it back on. Yeah, not the detector, the WM12. In there. Something in there. Oh, hang on. There we go. Look how bright it is. It must have been right on the surface. Beautiful. Oh, well, on the way back to the car, this is the last day. We said if we got 5 grams today, we'd stay, but we're not going to stay. I think we'd be lucky to get 3 today, 2.5 or something. But I've set up the camera so many times and filmed just rubbish digs. I got so frustrated that I've missed quite a few gold digs by thinking that, you know, because they all sound the some bits of aluminium and that are really tricking me out. But anyway, on the way back to the car, here's another one. I'm down an inch or so there's a possibility it's the last dig for the trip. Anyway, we'll swing around and see what happens. Rightio. Oh well, if it's a nugget it might be alright. If it's a bit of rubbish, well, it's like every other bit I've dug. I only put the camera on because I actually had got past the surface scrapes. Mind you, I did find a nugget today which was right on the surface. It's out, so probably a bit of shit. Doesn't sound too bad. Okay, let's see what we got. It's got the right sound. No, has it? Maybe not. Gold tends to hang, the sound tends to hang on a bit longer than steel. But it could be lead though. Oh, here we go. What's that? No. No, it's in there and whatever it is. See no yellow. See no yellow. Can't see any yellow. And another freaking tin dig. There it is. Is that a leaf? Is that a bit of tin or a leaf? Oh. Okay, what's this? What is this? It's a bit of gold. Thank goodness. There you go. Something. Thank goodness. I don't know what I'm waving it around. Put it in the scoop. Can't see it. Does that even focus? Probably not. Anyway, there we go.